What's up guys, and welcome back to another video, and this is your one and only CEO Kelvin, where we say wealth at hand. Now basically a lot of people have been asking, how do you withdraw dream coins and how do dream coins work? So stick with me in this video. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how we are going to withdraw our dream coin token to our wallet address, that is the BNB smart chain wallet address. So I did a video on how we go about mining. You can see now we have a total of 67.8k. That's enough for the withdrawal. Once you come to the wallet address, you can see we made a withdrawal sometimes earlier, that is 48.3k, but now we have a total of 67.8k dream coins. How do you withdraw? Once you click on withdraw, you can see you have the address and we have the amount, and they say that there is a withdrawal fee of 24k, and you have to use the BEP20, that is BNB Smart Chain, or else you will lose your token. So we are going to go to Chrome to get the wallet address. Okay, you can see you will come and search Dream to Earn token, and you have to be careful to copy the right address. So you can see Dream to Earn, get rewarded for sleeping. Okay, dream to earn app.com. So we are going to copy this wallet address. You place on copy, and for this case we are going to use our trust wallet. Okay, now we are going to use the trust wallet to make our withdrawal from Dreamcoin app. So I want you to scroll down and place where it is written manage crypto. You can see here written manage crypto, and place on the plus icon up there. Now you can see we have a network. So for this we are going to use the token section, and for this now, because they say we are supposed to use the BNB, we are going to use something we call the BNB. So place on the Ethereum section and select the BNB. Once you do that, paste the wallet address, and you can see now down here it says dream, the symbol is dream and decimal is 18. So place on import. Okay, now once imported, it is going to create this icon. Now you can see we have we can see we have 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and all that, and we have no charts available for this section. So the aim is to make a withdrawal, so we are going to place on a receive, and we can see the BEP20 dream wallet address. So we are going to copy the wallet address, and guys, you have to be very careful with how you are going to make or copy the wallet address. You can use the scan code or use the real wallet address. So once you copy the wallet address, we are going back to our dream coin. Okay, now you can see the balance is 67.8 dream coins, and they say the minimum withdrawal is 48k dream coins. Okay, so we are going to paste that wallet address, and for this case we are going to withdraw our total amount of dream coins, that is 67.8. And once you do that, you can see now we have our wallet address, we have the total 67,896.86 dream coins, less on that, and we are going to click confirm. Now they give this prompt saying you are withdrawing that amount of dream coins to wallet address that is the wallet address. Withdrawals to incorrect addresses result into loss of your assets, so you have to be careful when you are withdrawing your dream coins. So click on yes, and withdrawing, you can see withdrawal request created. Okay, now you can see now we made a withdrawal of 67.8. Once you come back to our balance, this is 0 dream coins. Okay, now for that case, okay, now we made the withdrawal, so let's go back to our wallet address. Okay, let's give it some time and see the reflection of uh, our dream coins. So basically, that is how you make a withdrawal of the dream coins using the BEP20 smart chain, that is the BNB. So subscribe to the channel. So we now received something we call a withdrawal processed. You can see congratulations, your dream withdrawal has been processed to the address that we gave. So once you do that, okay, you can see it is already processed. So once we click on that, it will direct us to the app. Okay, and to the app. Okay, so from here we are going to our trust wallet. Let's check it out and see whether the funds have been transferred. Okay, so we are going to search dreamcoin. So that is dream for the BEP20. Okay, we have multiple, and see we have it. You can see now the amount of dreamcoin is 43,896.8 after we had a charge of 24k dream coins. Okay, so that is how you make a withdrawal.